Guys, good afternoon. Nagluto ako ng baka. Pinalambot ko yan guys. Ang pitsay. May sibuyas, may bawang, may luya, may pamintang durog. Pinalambot ko na guys. For cooking. For the time of lunch right now. Ayan guys, baka yan guys, sinabawang baka ang pitsay. Pangpaasim ko guys, so kalamansi para umasim-asim yan guys. Pangpaasim ko guys, ayan o, kalamansi. Uy, nahulog guys ang pangpaasim ko guys. Ayan guys, pangpaasim, pangsigang para masim-asim ang sabaw. Tapos magic sarap, kita niyan, magic sarap guys. Inubos ko na guys yung isang pack na kuan guys, magic sarap. Inubos ko guys. Mikos guys, mikos. Pinalambot na baka with pitsay and asin guys, asin. Mikos asin. Hintayin natin kumulo guys ang baka nga pinalambot na may pitsay. Baka yan guys, baka pitsay. Good afternoon. The time of lunch right now. Mikos guys, completo ricados, bawang, sibuyas, paminta, and magic sarap. Mikos